Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. So today we are going to discuss directions part 4, the last part in the direction. Okay. So up to this we discuss about the only directions part and distance with the direction and Pythagoras theorem problems. Everything we discuss. Now the last model in this concept is nothing but. I'll show you. So Pythagoras theorem we discussed already. Now here northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. So based on this problem, we are going to discuss now. Okay, first we'll start some basic problems also, and from before going to start, I want to show you. So first of all, I'll draw one just diagram of this. So direction diagram. So everyone knows this east, north, west, south. So always you have to assume that which you are facing to the system, or if you are facing to the mobile, the screen is nothing but north. Okay. At the same time, we have 4 more directions also like this. What is the directions? So we already know. Okay, this one is north, this one is south, sorry, east. So north opposite south, and this is nothing but west. Right? In the same way, here, so this is northeast. So why northeast only we are calling, not east north? So first of all, we have to consider the vertical line, then horizontal line. Okay, and this is nothing but northwest, and this is southwest. Southwest, and this is southeast. Southeast, sorry, southeast. Right now, so this is important thing. So we can call this one in the middle of the north and north and east. Northeast we call in the middle of the west and north, northwest. In the middle of the west and south, southwest. In the middle of the south and east, southeast. Here, this is angle of total 90. This is angle of total 90, and this angle is nothing but 45. So this is nothing but 45. Okay. So we can get the problems like based on clockwise. Always remember, based on clockwise. Based on the clockwise and angles and left right like this. Okay, done. So we'll see first problem now. Okay, the first problem, see here. Yeah, I'm going to clear this everything. Now Prem goes 7 kilometers towards southeast, right? From his house, then he goes 14 kilometers turning to west. After this, he goes 7 kilometers towards northwest, and in the end, he goes 9 kilometers towards east. How far he is from the house? Now think that Prem, right? Prem house is this, right? First thing, and always you just write one direction here for your better understanding purpose. Versus north. This is north. Now here just assume first thing I'll show you for better understanding purpose. From that I'll take a simple. Okay. Okay. This is the house, and here this is north, east, south, west. This is, and say suppose south house is here. Prem goes 7 kilometers towards southeast. Where is the southeast? This one. Okay, he like this. He goes like this. Okay, 7 kilometers. So then he goes 14 kilometers to west. From here west, how we are going to identify? So every point we just write a simple thing for understanding purpose. Okay, for understanding purpose. Now this is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west, right? So now from here, this point, from here, he goes 14 kilometers turning to west like this. Okay, 14 kilometers. Then after this, he goes 7 kilometers toward northwest. Where is the northwest? See, suppose this is north and this is west, east, south, right? Same thing. Northwest means this 7 kilometers. Again 7 kilometers northwest. And from here, end 9 kilometers towards east. Now, where is the east? This one, east, right? 9 kilometers. So this is nothing but 7. That means in the last, he turned towards his house only. East, right? So towards his house only he turned and he came like that only. Okay. And this is 7 and this is also 7. Okay. Then from it is 14. Right? So this is 14. And what about this? And how far he is from the house? He said. So this is 7. Okay. And from here, this is 11. Or how many kilometers? 14 kilometers. And this is 7 kilometers. And this is also 7 kilometers. So here, think. So from here, how much far it is? So he goes like this. And the point, it is 9. It is totally 14, right? So 14, and he came back 9. So 14 minus 9 is 9. 9, how far is from 9? 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. So here is a 14, right? So that's it. Okay. And 5 kilometers. So northwest, northeast. You can find out like this. Okay. The next problem. A lady leaves from her home she first walks 10 kilometers, 10 meters in northwest direction, and then 10 meters in southwest direction. Next, he walks 10 meters in southeast direction. Finally, he turns towards her house. In which direction she is moving now? See, which direction she is moving. Here, not asking for the distance, right? Then ask for the distance. Just they're asking the direction. Now, let us take first of all, this is north. And here, lady starts from the house, start from the first walk northwest like this. How many kilometers? 10 kilometers. First 10 meters in northwest direction and then 10 meters southwest from here to southwest. Here to southwest, southwest, it is this one, right? So 10 meters southwest. Next, she walks 10 meters southeast. From here, what's the southeast? Like this, right? Like this. And now finally she turned to her house in the which direction she is moving. Now her house is here, right? Her house is here. From here, he just started turn to her house like this, right? So this is nothing but which direction here? Northeast. So everywhere you just draw like this simple A plus mark, then you can easily understand. For practicing, if you practice more and more questions, no need of this one actually. So you can easily calculate without pen and paper also. Okay, right? Done? Okay. We're moving for the next question. If you have any doubts, then ask me immediately. Now, next one. Now, read the question carefully. K is place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from the capital P. Okay. R is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from K. M is another place that is 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from R, from R. Okay. T is at another place that is located 2 kilometers away in southwest direction from M. Okay. Of M. Okay. Of M, southwest direction. Okay. In which direction T located with respect to P? Interesting question. And if you can understand this one, that means you can understand almost all every concept in directions. See here, what they are saying first of all. Okay, first you just write here, it is a north for thing. Okay, done. Now, K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from the capital P. That means from the capital P, it is northwest direction. So take P here. Okay. Take this the P. Okay. From here, northwest direction, like this, 2 kilometers away. So here it's a K is there. Okay. One thing. So this is P, okay. This is P. This point is P. This point is P. Okay. Now, R is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from K. From K means southwest direction. This one. How much? How many kilometers? 2 kilometers. Like this. Right? And this is what says R is R. Right? This is R. Nothing but this is R. Okay. Now, M is another place that is 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from R. From R, it is northwest direction. Okay, from and off, it is different. Okay, from northwest direction, and from here, it is a thing northwest. Where's the northwest? This one, 2 kilometers, right? So what's this place? This is M. This is M. Okay. Northwest. T is at another place that located 2 kilometers away in southwest direction of M. Okay, M southwest direction. What is the M southwest direction? Southwest direction. Where is it? Southwest direction. So this one. This is nothing but T. Okay, southwest direction. In which direction T located with respect to P? P is here and T is here. Okay, this is north and this is east and this is south and this is west, right? So with respect to P, T is located on west. This is the west, right? This is west. If suppose they ask with respect to T, P is located to in this side. That means east direction. Okay. Is it clear? So 2 meters, 2 kilometers and 2 kilometers, 2 kilometers, 2 kilometers, if they are here now. So in the same straight line, P and T is there. With respect to P, it is on west. With respect to T, P is on east. Okay, done. So this about the problem, right? Okay, do you understand? Okay, I'm going to clear this. Now check another one. A man is facing south. First, he is facing south. He turns 135 degrees in anti-clockwise direction and then 180 degrees clockwise direction. Which direction is he facing now? Okay, they are asking direction first of all. Okay, first of all, I just recap that clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay. This is nothing but clockwise. Okay, this is nothing but anti-clockwise. First of all, think. Okay, and we have the degrees. This is 90, 90, 90, and 90, right? And in between, this is 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, and 45, right? So now, going to clear the first, take the direction, and he's facing south. That means like this. The person is here. Okay, a man is facing south. This is north, this is west, and this is east. Okay, he turned 135 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. So clockwise direction always will be like this. Anti-clockwise direction always will be like this. So 135 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. From here, he's turning like this, like this. Okay, this is 90 degrees. He turned, okay, and then he turned 90 degrees and 135 degrees this side, right? That means from here it's 145 degrees like this. So this is nothing but northeast. So this is nothing but 135 degrees from south. Towards the 135 degrees from south, anti-clockwise, it's nothing but northeast. Northeast. Okay. And from here, then 180 degrees in clockwise direction. Okay. 180 degrees clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means nothing but this one. So 180 degrees. These are 45 and this is 90, 135, and this is 135 plus 45. It is 180. Okay. This is 180. Clockwise direction. So he is now facing southwest. Southwest. So no need of this calculating with 180. I already told you in the first classes, if it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, that means 180 degrees is nothing but exactly opposite direction, or 2 times 2 rights or 2 lefts also exactly opposite. Exactly opposite. Okay, do you remember this? Do you remember or not? Just recalling this. So 180 degrees clockwise, that may be anti-clockwise, that may be 2 times R, 2 times left. It's the same. What is that? Exactly opposite to the current direction. So here northeast is there. From south, he turns 135 degrees anti-clockwise here. But from here, they said 180 degrees clockwise direction. Even they said anti-clockwise direction also, he will come to in the same point, southwest. So that may be anti-clockwise or clockwise. 180 degrees, it means is exactly opposite direction. What is the northeast opposite direction? Southwest. What is the northwest opposite direction exactly? That is southeast. Okay, it's very important things. So 180 degrees and 2R are 2 left. 2R 2 left means it's nothing but 2 times right, 2 times left. Okay, both are equal. Done. No. Now check another one. A person facing east, he turns 100 in 100 degrees, okay? 100 degrees in clockwise direction, and then 145 in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, in which direction he is facing now? They're asking 100 degrees in clockwise direction and then 145 degrees anti-clockwise direction. So without pen and paper, directly you can say this answer. So if a person facing east means 45 degrees anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means in upside. There is nothing but northeast. Okay, once again, no worries, I'll explain you. See, without pen and paper, you can solve this type of problems. So first thing, take the direction. This is east, north, south, and west, right? Okay, done. Now, he's facing to the east here, right? So 100 degrees in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction is like this. So 100 degrees. So this is 90, and then from here, just 10 degrees, 10 degrees, okay, 10 degrees. This is nothing but 100. From here, anti-clockwise, that means like this, right? So anti-clockwise, 145 degrees, 145. That means from here to here, it's 100. As is, just he came back to 100, and here to here, 45, 45. What's the 45? Northeast direction. Northeast direction. Okay, by single itself you have to say. That's what I taught you in the first class. So without pen and paper, left and right, and these things you can solve. Okay, now another one. A man facing northwest, he turns 90 in clockwise direction. Okay, and then 135 in anti-clockwise direction. So in which direction he is facing? See, 90 degrees clockwise and 135 degrees anti-clockwise. So directly you can say, actually, that's what I taught in first class. So 90 degrees clockwise, anti-clockwise 135 degrees. Just subtract that. So that means he's moving and he came back to the same direction, right? So first he moving like this, and then he moving like this. So 90 degrees plus that 45 degrees, right? So now anti-clockwise direction 45 degrees. So northwest is this, anti-clockwise 45 degrees. What is that? This one, right? So just 45 degrees, northwest to west. West he is turning. Okay, anyhow, I'll explain clearly. Here, this, sorry. This is the direction from here to here, right? The man facing northwest, like this, and he turns clockwise. Clockwise means like this, right? Like this. Clockwise means like this. So how much degrees? 90 degrees, like this. Okay. That means now he is northeast. And now anti-clockwise direction, like this. How many degrees? 135. From here to here, it's 90, and here to here, it's 135. So 45. Totally 135. It now is facing, which direction is facing? West. This is nothing but west. Man is facing here like this. So from here, turn like this. So it's a west. Then, so if you are practicing this, then you can solve without pen and paper also. Check, give the answer for this, at least. Check this. P is 15 meters to west of Q. R is 13 meters to south of Q. Okay. And 5 meters to the east of S. Okay. And T is 20 meters to the south of S, and T is 10 meters to the east of U. So they're asking interesting questions like, see here. Let's say, so P is 15 meters west of Q. So Q is here, suppose 15 meters west. So 15 meters west, this is P. Okay. R is 13 meters to south of Q. South of Q is nothing but this one. So R is here, and then 5 meters to the east of S. 5 meters east of S. So from east of S. Yes. Okay, east of R is 13 meters south of Q, and okay, here R, no, R. Okay, you have to take R, not Q. Okay, R is 13 meters south of Q and 5 meters east of S. 5 meters east of S, like this here. 5 meters S. Okay, east of S. Right. T is 20 meters north of S. Is 20 meters north of S. 20 meters. T here. This T. Okay. And T is 10 meters to east of U. East of U. East of U. U. 10 meters. Okay, done. Now, in which direction U with respect to P? P is here. U is here. With respect to P, U is in this direction. What is this? North direction. And in which direction? R with respect to P. R, where is R? Here. R is here. P is here. I think this is nothing but like this. So it is nothing but south east direction. Okay. If you draw the diagram clearly, then you can understand the first thing. And sometimes you no need to draw the diagram also. Directly you can say the answer. Okay. Now check this. So point A is 9 meters to the east of B. Point A is 9 meters to east of B. C is 5 meters to south of A. And D is 3 meters to the west of C. E is 5 meters to the north of D. F is 7 meters to the south of D. Okay. Just draw the first based on that point. So analysis. P point A is 9 meters to the east of B. East of B. Okay. So A is here, B is here, east of B. C is 5 meters to south of A. So A is here, right? A is here. C is 5 meters south of A. South. This one is south. 5 meters, right? And D is 3 meters to the west of C. D is 3 meters to the west of C. This is C and west is nothing but this. So D, 3 meters. Okay. And E is the north of D. E is the north of D, 5 meters north. Okay. And E, north of D. F is 7 meters south of D. Where is the D here? Here, right? D is here. And F is south of D. Like this. Okay. Now I'll write the first names to be very clear. This is B. B east, who is there? A is there. And A is south, who is there? C is there. South west, who is there? D is there. And D is north, who is there? E is there. And D is south, who is there? F is there. So this is totally 9, and this is 5, and this is 3, and this is 5, upside 5, and total here, sorry, and this is 7. Right. What's the first question? In which of the following points are in the straight line? F, C, D. F is there here. So damn it is. I don't know what happened to this. Suddenly it got like this. Okay. Now B, and from here, and from here, and from here, and from here. Right. Now, this is B, A, C, D, E, F. Now, what's the first question? FCD. FCD. No. AEB. AEB. Yeah, straight line. EBD. EBD. No. ECD. No. AEB is the right answer. Now, what is the B position with respect to C? C is here, B is here, just like this. Okay, it's nothing but southeast. Okay, and how far E is from the point B? So totally 9, right? Totally 9. Totally 9, and this is nothing but 3. Here 3, here 3, here 3. So it is 6. How far E from point B? 6 meters. 6 meters. Then no. Hope you clear. Okay, last question from this type of. Then we will discuss one more type also. Okay. No, point W is 7 meters to west of X. W X 7 meters. X is 3 meters to the north of Y. Y 3 meters north of Y. And point Z is 4 meters west of Y. West of Y. 4 meters. Just 4 meters. Now a person walks 3 meters to the north of point Z and reaches point P. North, this one, point P. Okay. And how far and in direction will have to walk to reach W. So they need to reach W. What's the distance here? This is 4 and this is 3. Equal. This is 4. Equal. 3 meters to west. 3 meters to west. To reach here, like this, you need to reach. Okay. And what is the question of Y with respect to P? Where is the Y? Here. No, here. With respect to P. Just southeast. Okay, done. Okay, from this, so we are completed north, east, south directions. And one more very important and interesting last concept here in the directions, that is nothing but shadows. First you need to understand what is a shadow first. Now think, we know all we know that one truth, sun always rise in east, right? And it's always sunset always in west, right? Now just take it. No, very important point. No? Okay, remember and listen carefully. First thing, so whenever sun rising in the east, that means from the morning to afternoon. So shadow will be it opposite, right? Suppose a man here is standing. The shadow of this person, if the person is facing to the east, the shadow is his backside, right? The backside. Suppose a person facing to the north, it is a point important. First of all, a person facing to the north. So when it is in the morning time, his shadow will be fall like this, right? The shadow will be fall like this. Sun is this side, this direction. So shadow will be like this direction. That means when a person facing to the north, in the morning time, that shadow is on left side, okay, remember this, left side, okay. And if the person is facing to the south, if this person is facing to the south, in the morning, the shadow is on his right side, shadow will be here only, on the west. But so it is, for this, if he is facing to the south in the morning, it is right, this is right, this is left, important thing, okay. And in the noon it means exactly 12, noon in the means exactly 12. In the noon, shadow will is under foot, actually no shadow were considered, exactly noon, okay. Shadow is not there. In the morning time, a person faces to the north, his shadow on his left side, If a person faces to the south in the morning time, his shadow is on right side, remember. The same thing in the afternoon, so after, not noon, afternoon, so sun will be here in the west side, so shadow will lies on this side, mean east side, okay, east side. If a person facing to the north, like this, then this is his left and this is right. So whenever afternoon, a person facing to the north, the shadow of his shadow is lies on right side, okay. The same, if a person faces to the south, like this, arrow, shadow will be here only, but what is the side? This is right and this is left. In the afternoon, a person faces to the south, the shadow will be on his left side. If north, shadow will be on right side. In the morning, the shadow will be on left side to the facing to the north and right side to the facing to the south. That is very important thing. So this is how the concept here. So left and right, they will ask the question. And if they faces east, a person, next one, a person faces east in the morning, shadow will be on his back side, A person faces west side, in the west side in the morning, the shadow is on his front, Okay, if afternoon, a person faces to the west side, the shadow will be on back side. If a person faces to the east side, the shadow will be on his front. Okay, this is what important thing. Just I'm going to clear this, and we'll solve some of the questions based on this. Then you people will understand easily. Right. One morning after sunrise, Mahindra and Manoj were standing in the chowk in Delhi with their backs towards each other. Mahindra's shadow fell exactly towards his left hand side. Which direction is Manoj facing? What they're asking? First thing, what they said, Mahindra's shadow fell exactly towards his left side. Okay, left side is in the morning. So this is sun. So shadow will be like this. Okay, this is left side. They are saying this is left side. Okay, and this is the right. So Mahindra's shadow exactly on left side. So Manoj here. So Mahindra's here and Manoj here. Okay, but they are not facing each other. They are facing their backs is each other. So that means he's facing like this and he's facing like this, right? So Mahindra is facing north. Mahindra is facing north. Then only his shadow will be left side of Mahindra's. Mahindra's is facing north, exactly towards left hand side. Okay, in the morning side, in the morning time. Okay, right, the morning time. So he is facing north, and the back side, Manoj facing south. And what they're asking, which direction Manoj facing? It is south. South is the answer. Clear? So just understand shadow, which side it will be. Right? And another one. See, one evening, A was standing and facing a pole. A was standing and facing a pole. The shadow of the pole fell exactly to his left. In which direction he was facing? You see, one evening they said. Evening means evening means okay. This is thing. This is north, east, south, west. So west side is the sun. He is here. So shadow will be like this. Shadow will be like this. Okay. So this side, whatever it may be. So this side. Okay. I'll write here. Shadow will be this side. So sun is this side and shadow will be like this. And what they're saying, this shadow of the pole is exactly to his left. Who's that facing standing? The left. So this is left, they're saying. This is left, this is left, and this is right, right? So, so this is left and this right means it's facing to the south. Facing to the pole. Sorry, first of all. Okay, think. So this is pole's shadow, right? This is a pole shadow. The pole shadow will be like this, right? Will be like this. So this is the pole. So sun is there and this will be here, this line. So person is A here, A is left this and right this, right? So A is left. Hmm. Facing pole. Facing pole. Shadow of the person A. Okay, take A is this side. A is this side. So this is the left means you have to take consider this is the left. Left it means it's a south only. The person is facing south. A left and right. A is here, is facing like this, and this is the pole. This is the pole. Okay. And left side. So facing is means facing south means so left side will be shadow. Okay, done. So what they're asking, in which direction was he facing? south. So whatever the pole, whatever the person, if left side means they directly just take left side in the afternoon means he's facing to the south. Okay. If it's facing to the north, this is right. So shadow will be like this. Whatever the pole here, shadow will be like this. Shadow will be like this. So this is he's facing to the north. Facing to the south. Okay, done. So this is what directions, shadows problems. So this is what directions complete concept. So we already starting onwards, from the basic onwards we discuss. So directions, facing directions and facing with distance, and then Pythagoras theorem, and then north and east, and clockwise, anti-clockwise, and degrees, and left, right, everything we discussed. I covered everything in this. So just practice this. You people will get easily answers. Okay. There's a reasoning topic. You need to take the decision. Okay. Right. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.